Hey guys, Megan here today, and today I am doing a boxer braid, as you can see. This is a really fun braid for me. I do it quite a bit. Especially with my short hair, it helps hold everything in. And with a boxer braid, it's usually pretty tight. They don't usually really relax it, so it's just going to be a tighter braid. It's really great for little girls, for working out, or just like an everyday look. I actually wear this look a lot. The things that I'm using today is a putty, and this one is the Kristin S Styling Defining Shine Pomade and Edge Control. I use this from about here on. It helps keep my strays in, and then I kind of use it just to touch up some stuff after I'm done braiding my hair. It's really nice. It's from Target. It smells amazing, and it doesn't make my hair feel super sticky, and it's really easy to get out of your hair. When I just do this, I usually just brush it out and it's fine. But this product is really amazing. I don't really like using gels, so this pomade is really nice, and it makes my braid nice and shiny without looking super greasy. And then I'm just using a brush and something to part my hair with. I just use a knitting needle. It's because it's what I have on hand. And you can use plenty of different kinds of elastics. These are some fabric ones from Forever 21, or you can use some clear elastics, some normal band elastics, or some rubber band elastics. I usually use these because they don't break on my hair. I have really thick hair, and I have a problem with stuff breaking in my hair. Like, I'll be working out and I don't work out. I'll be shopping and I just hear this little and like feel some release in my hair, and I'm like, cool, my hair elastic just broke. It's literally the story of my life. I hate it so much. Yeah, let's go ahead and get on into this look. And for the strays, I usually go through back with my putty and just kind of put it on a finger or two and just take them and sweep the strays right back into the hair. And there we go. There are my braids. They take me like 5 minutes each for each braid, so 10 minutes home. Really, with braids, practice makes perfect. People always ask me, how do you get your braids to look so good? I'm like, I practiced. I had an older sister that braided my hair all the time, and then she moved out, and I had some American Girl dolls, and I practiced on them, and then I started practicing on myself. It took me a little bit, but like, just sit down and do it. If you have little girls that have long hair, just go ahead and go do it. And sometimes it's easier to do braids on yourself rather than on people, because you know how you want to angle your head, and you know how your hair moves and where it needs to lay for it to look normal. So really, guys, just practice. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you next time in my next video.